What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Uzi from the Murder Drones. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the top edge of the eyelids. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a straight angled line going up and then out towards the left. Let's line the inside over on the right and do the same thing, going up and then out. Let's draw a short angled line coming down and in. Now going back to the left side, we're going to draw a half oval. We come down towards the bottom of the eye and then bend that back up. Let's give our character some eyebrows. From the inside corner of the eye, we're going to step up, draw another straight angled line going up and out on both sides. And then on the inside, draw a short line going up. And it'll connect the outside to the inside with a straight line. Now I want to place the hair on top of the head. So starting on top of the right eye, I'm going to start up here, bend this down, across toward the left, and go around the eye and then bend that down. Let's add a curl on the right side. From the top, we'll step down, go around the right eye, and then bend that in. Now going back to the left side, we're going to draw the top of the hair. I'm going to go all the way around, go up. I'm just going to bend that down. And we'll close off the right side by stepping up, go up, come around, and then in towards the bottom. Now I want to tuck the lower half of the head underneath the hair. Let's start underneath on the left side, curve this down, go across the middle, go around and then up on the right side. And then directly underneath the eyes, we're going to draw the edge of the mask. Let's start on the left. We're going to go down around the eye, go up in the middle, come down underneath the right eye, and then back up. Let's shift the mouth over towards the left, starting up here, going up and then down. Now I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mask going around the eyes. Now along the bottom of the head, we're going to curl the hair going out. Let's start on the left. Come down and then up. Bend this down and just pull that in toward the side of the head. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Coming down and up. Pull this down and then in. Let's add another point. We're going to step out, curve down and out with a short line. I just want to tuck this underneath the head. We're going to come down and then bend that up. Now let's place the hat on top of the head, starting with the hat brim. We're going to start on the left side, bend this up, go across, and then bring that down towards the right. Now I want to tilt the top of the hat over towards the right. Let's start on the left side, bend this up and across. Just going to round out the top and then bring that down towards the right. Let's draw a circle in behind the top of the hat. Going all the way around, come down, and then in towards the side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the collar. We're going to start on the left side of the head, bend this in and then down towards the center, go up and out towards the right. Now in the middle, add a curve. Let's add in the collar. From that center point, bend the left side going up and then out. And we'll bend this up and in underneath the head. Now I'm going to be drawing the character with the arms inside that center pocket. So let's start underneath the collar on the left, step in, then the arm going out, and then down towards the elbow, and do the same thing on the right side. Let's round out the cuff. We're going to come down and bend that in with a short curve. Let's draw the edge of the sleeve going up and then in towards the top of the arm. And then we'll add a fold. We're going to go up and then bend that down, aiming towards the elbow. For the top of the sleeve, draw a straight angle line going up toward the armpit. Now we're going to bend the arms in towards the pocket. Let's start from this point, bend the arm coming down and in. And then draw a straight line going across, connecting the arms. Let's go back up to the top of the arm, step down. We're going to curve the body, coming down and then out in behind the arms. Let's go back to the center, draw a straight line coming down. Now going back to the edge of the pocket, we're just going to curve this around and then in towards the bottom. Close out the bottom with a curve. Now I'm going to go back out to the elbows. We want to draw that same curve, the arm coming down and in behind the pocket, giving a little overlap along the bottom. Let's add some texture inside the arm. Starting from the top, we're going to bend this out and then down, step in and draw that again. Let's add a couple stripes inside the pocket. We're going to take this curve, step up, draw one curve, and we're going to draw that 2 more times. Let's add a fur edge along the bottom of the jacket. We're going to start underneath the arm, bend this around and in like a bracket. Do the same thing on the right. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw a series of curves, coming around and up, and working our way across the bottom of the pocket over towards the right side. Now I want to tuck the legs in underneath the body. Leaving a gap in the center. Let's start on the left, bend the leg going out and then down, go to the right and do the same thing. Let's round out the bottom of the leg, coming down and up. Let's bend the leg going back up and then in underneath the body. And I want to draw that same texture inside the leg. Starting from the bottom, we'll step up, just work our way up towards the top of the legs. Let's add a thick band around the ankles. We're going to step up from the bottom of the leg, bend this out, come all the way down towards the bottom. Same thing on the right. Let's close out the bottom with a curve. Now I'm going to add 2 curves along the inside, starting from the bottom, working our way up. And then from the inside, we're going to step out, curve the leg going out, and then down towards the heel on both sides. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Starting on the left, come down, and then up. Let's go back to the left side, draw the top of the foot. We go up, and I want to bend that down, aiming towards the heel. And then from the outside of the cuff, draw a straight angle line coming down and out on top of the foot. Let's add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet. We want to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Uzi from the Murder Drones. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.